bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to be making a mini note card and a matching tag for the Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead tutorial. So I thought this would be a great idea to do a little mini note card, matching tags, and you guys know how much I love making note cards, right? I don't have to tell you this, you guys already know. Okay, my loves, let me put you in as close as I can. Okay, so this is what we're going to create today. I'm going to try to do this all in one video, these two things. I'm trying my best. Let's see how this works, okay? Hopefully this works out perfect. So let's get to it so I don't talk too much and I have enough time to show you guys how to create these two beauties. Let's do the note card first, okay? Note cards are very easy. You guys know me, easy peasy. I have myself my template that I use, these little mini note cards that I get from Michael's. That's all I do. I use this as a template. I pick my paper, and this little note card is what I use basically as a template, okay? That's all I do. Now, what I did here is I already cut out my note card, and I'm using the envelope that goes in the little pack over there. The paper that I'm using is from this paper pad that I got recently at Tuesday morning. And it's really cute. It has a lot of pastel colors. I thought it was really adorable, and it looks really cute with the pastel little skulls that I have here. The skulls that we're using is the stickers from Michael's, okay? These beautiful, gorgeous skeletons that have beautiful flowers and super duper glittery eyes. These are from Michael's, okay? So let's do the note card first. I have here my already, here, let's put this on the side. Let's put this here. I have here my little note card that I already cut out, and we're going to add some nice little decorations in the front of it, okay? Here I added some of these tiny little spider web that I got at Target last year, okay? We're going to add these spider webs in here. We're also going to add some cupcake liners. These are like little mini cupcake liners. And the liner is going to be the base of the embellishment that's going to be in the front of the mini note card. So here we have this cute little tiny cupcake liner, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to actually we're going to glue down the little cupcake liners in front of the note card, okay? So I have here my hot glue. And we're going to add it to the little corner, a little side corner, a little bit on the left side of the embellishment, or actually of the note card. And the reason why I put a little bit on the left side, because we're going to add a nice little spider web right down this side, okay? Let's do that. Glue down your spider web. And I'm going to put my spider web right on this eye, right on this side right here. Boom, right there. See that? And now we're going to add another spider web that's going to go right here in this little area of the cupcake liners. First, before we do that, let's put down our little skull. Decide which one you want to use. I already decided to use this one, and it's going to go right in the center of the spider web. It already has double-sided dimension. We're going to put that right there on that spider web. You see that? Actually, there you go. See that? And now we're going to add some dimensions on the back of the spider web, and we're going to adhere it to the cupcake liner. Okay, right over the cupcake liner. Right over the cupcake liner like that. I'm gonna put some hot glue. Before we do that, I also added a flag over here. You could do that if you want. If you want to add like a cute little flag on this side, you can. The flag that I ordered, the flag that I added onto this little embellishment is the leftover paper that we're going to use for the tag. So here I have some leftover paper. All I did was basically just cut this in half. And then I will crisscross these like that. And then I'm going to add it to the back of the embellishment or the skeleton. See? Just like that. And then I'm going to get my skeleton and I'm going to add that somewhere around here. Just like that. See that? And now we're going to add some hot glue to the back. And we're going to adhere it to the cupcake liner. Just like so. There we go. Beautiful. Now, with this one, I added a nice little sign that says boo on it. And I also added some pearls and some stickers. The sticker I got from the sticker pack that is also in coordination to the paper pad. And I added a few things from here. I added actually some of these little candy corn to the front of the card. And I added this boo sign. So let's do that. Okay, so let's get the little candy corn first, okay, which are these right here. Okay, there you have it. And then I added some pearls, so we're going to add some pearls, which I also have here. Okay. Got a big pearl and then a small pearl. I'm going to add that right there. And I'm going to add the middle one, the little middle side pearl. Right on the side. Right there. Okay, beautiful. And then we're going to take our little bow sign right here. We're going to add some powder to the back of the sticker because we need the sticky part to be non-sticky. Okay. And now we're going to add a dimension on the back of this. Okay. And we're going to add the boo sign right underneath, tucked in right here. Okay. So I'm going to tuck this in right here. Let's put some hot glue on the back. And tuck this in right there. And that's gonna really give a nice look to the gorgeous, gorgeous note card. And basically, we're done with a little mini note card. On the inside, all I did was I added just a little tiny skeleton from the sticker right over this area right here. And then I added a skeleton in the front of the envelope. Okay? And that, my friend, is how you create this lovely, lovely, lovely mini note card. Okay? Now let's create the tag. Very simple. What did I do with the tags? Okay. Took some paper from the same paper pad. I used my punch and I punched out 2 tags. Okay? 1 tag, 2 tags. Then we're going to layer down these tags, just basically going this way. Okay? I'm going to add some dimensions on the back of my tag. And we're going to add the tag basically kind of this way, okay? It's going to look a little bit crooked. Okay. I'm sorry guys, I had to get a little bit of water because I feel like I'm going to be coughing in another 2 seconds. Okay, now we're going to add the Happy Halloween sign to the little tag that we just created, and that is going to be also from the same sticker pack. And I'm also going to be adding some powder on the back of the sticker, just so that it doesn't interfere the stickiness to anything. Okay, you could probably use a brush for this so you don't make a mess, but I don't have one in hand, and I'm usually used to using it like this. Okay. Alright, there you go. Perfect. Now that it's not sticky anymore, we're going to add this beautiful sign right in the center of our tags. Before we do that, let's add some double-sided dimensional tape to that so that it can lift up and look pretty. Okay. And we're going to add some hot glue, and we're going to add this to the tag. And this is going to go roughly in between these 2 tags that we created, roughly right there. Okay. On the bottom, what I did with this one is I added some of the little extra leftover paper from this particular design, which is from the note card. So it can kind of look a little bit of matchy-matchy, right? We want it to match, and you want it to be a nice little set. So here I have an extra little paper that I had left over. I'm going to add that right in the bottom of my tag. You can probably use double-sided tape if you want. I'm just using my hot glue because it makes it easier for me to use. But you can probably use double-sided tape on this. Okay? I'm going to cut this in the back. And this little tiny little piece I'm going to put right on the side over here of the tag, like I did with this one right there. Okay, right in there, and there you have it. See how that's coming out? It's coming out nice. Okay, beautiful, perfect. Okay, I have these two little candy corns over here on the side. Let's add some candy corn over here, candy corn here, and a candy corn right there. Okay, and then I added one of the little stickers that kind of like peeking out from the Happy Halloween sign. I have one here. I'm going to add this one right over this side right here. Okay, it's gonna kind of peek out from the sign, just like so. Okay, and we're almost done. The last thing we need to do is I added some really fun ribbon right here to the tag. Now you can also punch a little tiny hole through here and have some string or some twine hanging from the tag. I decided to just add these two tags in here because I like the way that it looks to me, but you don't necessarily have to do it that way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this magnificent little kind of like a flag shape to the ribbon. Okay, just like that, and also on this side. Just like that. Okay, and we're going to add this right over the area right there. We're going to hot glue this down, and we're done. We're done, we're done, we're done, we're done. Let's see, what time is it? Ooh, that's a good timing. Nice. I thought I was going to have to do this in 2 videos, but no, I did it in 1. Yes. Yes, I love it. Okay, my loves. And there you have it. There you have these fabulous tags that we created. How freaking adorable are these tags? I love them. You can actually add more if you want to it, like maybe some sequins or some buttons. However, you know, you decide to decorate them is however you can, you know, decorate them. You can decide however you want to. I thought these turned out beautiful. I love them. So this is the tag, and then these are the, well, this one and this one is the matching note card. How cute are these? Aren't they adorable, guys? I love them. I love the colors too, right? It's such a unique color. So pretty. So pretty and so simple to create. All right, my loves, I hope you enjoy watch me making these adorable tags and matching little mini note cards. I hope that you guys get some awesome inspiration from this video. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about these adorable sets, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all and have a fantastic, safe weekend, my loves. Bye.